What is up, you guys? It's your boy Taxi on the Lens, man. We are back at it again another man. Today we have the lovely.
It's Lovely Jill.
Man, you guys already know what the vibes are, man. Today we are shooting with our Sony a7S III with our 24-70 Sigma Art lens, and we have a Godox 8200 with a 12-inch beauty dish on there as well. We're out here just having a little bit of fun, man. We're doing a little bit of shooting around. We're playing with a little bit of off-camera flash today. We have a one light setup outside at the park. So this is what we're doing today, just showing you guys a little bit how to shoot around with the one light setup outside at the park. Let's get it, man. What is up, you guys? Your boy Taxi on the Lens. We're back at it again with another man. Today it's a little bit chilly outside, so I'm throwing this bit on, and yeah, things of that nature. So I got my, I need to make my Amazon storefront for you guys so y'all can finally see it and like see the vibe of what we got going on. But yeah, we're outside today. We're having a little bit of fun. You know what I'm saying? I might have to turn this regular coloring back on so y'all could get that bit, but let me see which one y'all like better. All right, so this is regular coloring, you guys. I'm probably gonna leave it like this. Yeah, so we're about to go ahead and we're about to have a little bit of fun, man. It's daytime today. We're about to do some like pose videos, things of that nature, and yeah, just kind of do a little bit of shoot around. The security guard here does not like me, and y'all know that from the last shoot we had here. But yeah, you know, things of that nature, you know. You about to try to roll it the wrong way. Like, what's up with you, bro? Come on, come on. Like, which way does like a suitcase roll?
Mine rolls sideways.
It's crazy, but yeah, man, so we're about to go ahead and just have some fun. Get straight to it. I don't know if I want to just do like straight on camera, like maybe no flash or something. I'm gonna see, bro, because that's what I might do. So then I gotta carry this and just go like this and shit like that. So we'll see, because I could do my on camera flash, or I could just use none at all and use regular straight natural light. Try to do some natural light photography, because I do a lot with flash all the time in studio, but maybe like you guys might want to see like flash outside of the studio, like the little like pew pew pew, full motion. But am I in that mood? Maybe not. Let's see, bro. We're trying to do some running gun shit. So we're trying to be quick with it. So yeah, I'm not gonna use. All right, y'all can't even see me. We are headed down now to the bottom floor and things of that nature to go ahead and get this shoot started. I ended up bringing it because, yeah, I feel like I'm gonna end up using it, man. So I can't even sit here and lie like I'm not gonna use it. So we're gonna just go ahead and do that. What? We hear you, bro. We hear you. Get on the inside. And yeah, you know, things of that nature. About to go ahead and they are. Yeah. So we're about to try to find a location right now to shoot at. Just do some running gun shit really quickly. I'm in that mode, you know what I'm saying? I'm getting in that mode, man. So we're trying to be quick with it because I gotta shoot at 4 and yeah. Studio's already ready though, basically, so we're gonna go ahead and make that happen. We got a maternity shoot today and then a birthday shoot today. One's with balloons and stuff of that nature, and then the other one just has like a regular little vibe. So let's see what we can do. We're not gonna try to get it around too many homeless people today. We're gonna try to go to the parts where they're not really at. Yeah, yesterday was one of the ones. Seeing downtown during the day is like so like a little bit. Yeah, no cap. Is this like a vibe? Is this a vibe? I don't know. Like, is it illegal to be in the road? I'm trying to think what type of mood are y'all on? Y'all see this? Do y'all feel like this is the vibe? Do y'all feel like we should get more like trees over there? You fucking with the trees?
What vibe are you trying to?
I don't know. I'm trying to like, I see downtown, I see buildings.
Right.
So I'm literally thinking like, I don't know why I just see like buildings right here. Like this is just giving me like building, bro. Like, should we like, oh, you said the trees you're fucking with?
They're cute.
It's not convincing. They're all right, but like,
I mean, I have to go over there and see. I'm actually.
Yeah, come on.
Like, I don't know.
Yeah. Bro, I be forgetting. You can't see shit, y'all. I say I be forgetting you can't see shit. So we gotta see what's over here. See, look, they're doing a photo shoot right there too. Oh, they're sitting on an alligator. Is this awkward photos or is that regular? Is that not awkward?
It's the awkward one.
They look like an awkward vibe. All right, maybe right here. I feel like maybe, yeah, like looking that direction. You see all the trees, like the brown and shit, right? Okay. Let's set up like this little like light post. All right, yeah. I think we found it, you guys. I think you might know what we're gonna do. We got like a concert going tonight or something. We're going right here. Oh man. Oh, there we go. All right, y'all. About to set up. Next time y'all see us, we're gonna be shooting. What is up, you guys, man? We're back at it again. You guys can't really see it, but I have my...
Next time they see us, we be shooting.
We are shooting. I got my camera out already. I didn't lie, you know what I'm saying? Okay, you know what? Haters gonna hate, and you're gonna keep pushing. Make sure the audio is good. Running. Whoop. Yeah, we're good. All right, let's do it, man. Let's have some fun. Let's get straight to it.
Whatever you think... Ooh, they said something. They always do something.
Of course they are.
Hey man, say man, free my nigga Brick T, man. Watch bitch, don't watch me. Ready? You heard that? Go. Cold baby, she my friend.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you guys watch to the end of the video. All right, there we go. What's up, you guys? We're here, you know what I'm saying? Whole lot of gas, big vibes, and things of that nature. Today we are doing a YouTube video. Duh. But I have my, I gotta get in that mode. I'm sorry, you guys. Sony a7S III. This is not what that is. Fuck. Sony a7S III with my X Pro S on the top, my trigger. Then I have my Godax 8200 and my 12-inch soft, my 12-inch beauty dish on top of here, you guys. And we're gonna be using this as our canvas. And I'm saying we're with the Lovely Jules. You know the vibes, man. It's Lovely Jules. You know her actual name on Instagram is actually that. So that's what we're calling her today because yeah, and things of that nature. So we're about to go ahead and just, you know what I'm saying?
In my pocket.
Wow. Did you know you had that or type shit?
Mashy. Just had it.
Oh, this is actually pretty cool. All right, you guys. So I got my f-stop, my shutter speed at 250. My f-stop, I'm gonna actually bump that up to like 3.2. My ISO, I'm gonna make that bit all the way down to 100. I might bump my f-stop back up to 2.8 and just keep my ISO to my ISO to 80. And yeah, let's do it. Let's see what this looks like. Let's see.
Okay, you need to tell me where to stand though.
Right there, literally right there, like literally right there. Like that's great. All right. The one-hander is kind of hard, as you guys can see. So you guys can see exactly what's going on right here. The one-hander is kind of hard, but we make it happen. You know what I'm saying? Here we go. Hold it. Ooh, I like that. Hold it, hold it, hold it. I'm gonna up my lighting on my speed light to 1/16, you guys. 1/16. Hold it. Oh, yep. Hold it, hold it, hold it. One more. I ain't gonna lie, the bokeh I'm getting is crazy. Hey, the bokeh that I'm getting is wild. You guys are not understanding, but the bokeh that I'm getting is wild. Okay, like you guys probably not even see how the light is actually flashing on this shit right now, but this shit doing it. Okay, yeah. Focus on that human. You know what I'm saying? And then y'all can see me like this. There we go. Oh, I want you like kind of like looking off.
Cute, 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 cute.
That shit looks amazing.
It does.
Literally, I want to do this fashion shit more often, bro. If you really put that shit on, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I feel like that's the vibe we gotta start going for. All right, there we go. Hold it. Like this is like the middle of 2. Hold it. So what I'm doing is, you guys, I'm using my hand as a lighting stand. So basically, it's really helping me because my hand is able to like go like that to be able to like give that light that's needed, and then I still have my trigger on the top, which is still communicating with this flash to be able to bang off that. So this is really what we're going for right here. Very nice. Yep, there you go. I kind of want you to like touch your hair, like kind of like hold your hair like one of your hands. Yeah, like that. Yep, and look off. Don't look at me. Yep, hold it. There we go, you guys. Beautiful. This is lighting up her skin beautifully. Hold it. There we go. Like it's lighting it up beautifully.
Cute. Oh yeah, they're fire.
Beautifully. Do you see what I'm saying, you guys? It's lighting it up beautifully, you know what I'm saying? So literally my settings right now are 1/250 because I want to get that melanated skin. Okay, it's exposing for the background first prior to putting my subject into it. And the way that I do this is I will focus on a tree and expose for the background so that I can see the sunlight, see the sky and things of that nature, see all the detail in that. Then I will have my subject step into the frame, and then once I have my subject step into the frame, I'm able to expose for my subject now with my flash. Turn the flash trigger on. You do all that first step with the flash trigger on, then you turn the flash trigger on and you're able to expose. Okay, so now after you expose it, you're coming out with f2.8 to get that bokeh to be really, really detailed into the skin of your model, and then ISO 80, which like has the least amount of noise possible. I can go down to ISO 64 or 50. I'm using the Sony a7S III, so it allows me to do a lot of these things. And then my Sigma Art 24 to 105. I mean 24 to 70 lens. Yep, there we go. Let me get a few more. I kind of want you to turn to the side a little bit, so like turn to that way. Yeah, there you go. And kind of look over your shoulder to the right. Yeah.
Now, do you want me to
take it off all the way?
like do you want it down or you want it up?
Right there. Literally right there. I kind of like that like half and half vibe. Hold it. There you go. Oh, hold it. Don't move. Am I even recording? I kind of want you like to like turn that like to that direction and then like look over. Yeah, like that. Because I kind of want to see like a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Hold it. There we go. Yep. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. One more. Hold it. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Y'all, this one-hander hit different, y'all. Y'all understand? Like, you gotta like zoom this bit out by yourself. You know what I'm saying? Remember all the length you're at. You know, like it hit different. That's kind of cool. Hold it. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. It's giving fashion girly.
Oh yeah, it's cute. I look so like lost. I look like I'm walking around in like a wonderland.
Wonderland. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm about to shoot another one now. It's been 8 minutes, so this video is done. This was how to use off-camera flash without a lighting stand. That's kind of hard, right? I don't know. Like maybe that'd be cool. 8200 Sony a7S III. You know what I'm saying? 24-70 lens. Big vibes. You know what I'm saying, guys?
Oh baby, she my front runner. Ain't no runner up. Young nigga tryna bubble up, just like my double cup. My brother trust me to call the right play. I told him huddle up. Baby, see how I be getting down. I told her set hut. Told him bring it in. If I get a bro the word, he gon' spin a bin. Told him put his dollars in the bank before he spin again.